So we're going to be talking about converting your Ethereum to BNB and BNB back to Ethereum and the platform to use to do such conversions successfully without having any mishap, without having any losses along the line. All right, so this is Wumre Barona Monday. If this is the first time you're stepping across my channel, please, you're welcome to my channel. All right, I make video on cryptocurrency, forex, businesses, or whatever that will help you grow your financial life. So be sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, I have a lot of helpful video right here and right there all over my channel. So be sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video so that YouTube algorithm can deem it necessary to push this video to as much person as possible so that our community can grow. All right, this is the month of July. All right, can you guys make it a birthday gift for me by
Happy birthday in advance 1507.
get to making this channel get to 1,000 subscribers this month? I believe you can do all this. All right, so be sure that you like, subscribe to this channel, and then you know we're gonna move forward. All right, so now let's just dive right into the video and then see how it goes. Now, oftentimes most persons have a lot of confusion when they are trying to convert their Ethereum to their Binance, like the Binance coin, and then from Binance coin back to Ethereum. And most persons try to use Pancake Swap to do this, but one thing that you have to know is you can't use Pancake Swap to convert. So this is what I want you to understand. You can't do this on Pancake Swap. Using Pancake Swap means that you want to make conversion on let's say Binance Smart Chain Network. All right, that is where Pancake Swap really works well. All right, so try to when you want to convert let's say on Ethereum network, you use Uniswap. All right, but in this kind of video I'm making for you guys, you don't need to use Pancake Swap for it, but you can still do your conversion on your Trust Wallet. All right. Although to be on the safer side, I advise you to go ahead to use your Binance. All right, because all this conversion can easily be done from your Binance account. And I've made a video on how to do some of these other coins conversion with the same process before now, so you can check how to go convert coins within Binance. All right, how to buy coins or how to buy Shiba Inu coin. It's still the same process, all right. But I'm still going to take you through that same process, all right. So you do this process is very effective when you do it on Binance. But I'm going to show you also the possibility and the section of the Trust Wallet that you can use to do this to carry on this conversion. And this is one case that I normally hear most of the time, especially those that loses their coin. Whenever you try to make conversion, whenever you try to convert your coins, or maybe you are trying to swap a coins, and then you notice there's an automatic swap in address. All right, normally when you're performing conversion within your wallet, you don't need to copy or add any address. Okay, you don't need to copy or add any address except if you're using Trust Wallet, and that's the only time whereby you need to copy contract address, paste it for the coin to reflect, especially a token, especially, pardon me, especially a token that is not that is not yet noted on the swap. All right, so you have to use contract ID. That's the only time you have to copy something. All right, else you're not copying when you're trying to swap coins, you're not copying any address to another. All right, most persons when they are trying to conduct some of this swap, or maybe they are trying to uh send coin to another person, and they notice that it automatically switches address, and then it seems as if they are trying to send a coin to somebody, and when when they hit the transaction, it sends the coin to somebody to an address that they don't know. So in this video I'm just focus on Ethereum and BNB, but if you can do Ethereum and BNB, you can do the same to other coins like BTC and Throne and what have you. All right. So one more thing that you have to look out for is when you're doing this on Trust Wallet, it's just one section, but the main transaction can be done on Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, please check the link below and register for a Binance account. With the link below, you have an opportunity to register for a Binance account. It's totally free. You're not being charged anything. All right. Then, if you don't have Trust Wallet, just go to your Play Store and search Trust Wallet, or maybe your iOS store, and then you see Trust Wallet downloading register is free of charge. All right. So and make sure that before, if you send a coin like Ethereum to your Trust wallet and it doesn't reflect, check out other videos that I've made on how to make your coin reflect. That video I've saved a lot of persons, I've saved a lot of lives. All right, especially those whom life were dependent upon their money. All right. So check out that video. All right, and I'll also try my possible best to link it below in the description. So if it doesn't reflect, most time, most cases is because you set it on different network. Now this video that we're making here is basically on ERC network. All right, we are assuming that this entire coin is on ERC network. All right, that's converting Ethereum to BNB, and we are not talking about BNB smart chain. We are talking about the main BNB that is sitting on ERC network. All right, and most cases, most person have their Ethereum as Ethereum peg. I've already made a video on Ethereum peg conversion, and y'all can see that video link in the description. All right, I'm just going to have to link everything in the description about how to convert Ethereum peg to main Ethereum or to BNB. So if you can convert Ethereum peg to Ethereum, you can as well just use this video that I'm making right now to convert it to what to the BNB you want to convert it, or vice versa, back and forth. So without saying too much, I'm just going to lead you through the whole process right now, and I believe I've laid down enough explanation on how this works so you don't make mistakes while carry on this conversion. Because the reason why most people lose this coin is because they make little mistakes and they don't observe the smallest details when carry on transactions. All right. So remember, I said we are doing this on Binance and we are going to do it on Trust Wallet. If the Trust Wallet is just one section that this can be done, if it's not available, if the option is not available on that section, then we switch to our Binance and do this. All right. So let's just check. All right, so this is I'm going to start with Trust Wallet. This Trust Wallet. So if you don't have this app, just go to your app store, and let's say you're using an Android phone, go to your Android Play Store and type search Trust Wallet, and then you see it. The app here is about 10 million download as at the time I'm making this video. Today is 2nd July 2021. So check it out, download it. If you have iOS, please go check it out too there. Now this is Trust Wallet. This is for this video, just for this video. I'm not using my my real Trust Wallet. All right, this is just alternative one. Now, most times when we want to swap coin, this is where we go to. We go to here, this particular section right here, and then we record. Let's say this section right here. All right. I'm viewing this in let me view this in portrait format because that's what you will see. So when you go to this section, you see pancake swap. All right, most times you have to search out pancake swap over there. So when you see pancake swap, automatically the wallet is always connected. So let's click here. For me, this wallet is not connected, so I have to click connect, and it should automatically connect somehow. So the wallet is connected right here. All right. So now if you notice, I'm clicking on Trust Wallet Connect, but it's not connecting. Now do you know the reason why? Now if you check here, you see that what's there is a term. So normally the Trust Wallet is sitting on Binance Smart Chain network. So now I have to click on Smart Chain. All right, you can see that there are different network right here. You can see Ethereum Smart Chain, Ethereum Classic, Tomo Chain, Thunder Token, Go Chain, POA network, and then Callisto. And then so I have to click on the Smart Chain. All right, you see it's automatically connected. All right, so that's how to connect. So here this is where we normally switch any coin, swap any coin back and forth that is lying on the Smart Chain network. But here you can't swap the coin Ethereum. If you swap Ethereum on this this particular place, that if you search Ethereum, you will definitely find Ethereum. But trust me, what you're looking at there, you see there's Ethereum token, but what you're looking at here is not the main Ethereum. What you're looking at, this is Ethereum peg. It will exist on your wallet as a peg, Ethereum peg, Binance peg Ethereum. So you wouldn't want that. All right, you don't want that confusion. What you're looking for is this main Ethereum. Mind you, this is a multi-coin wallet, so every other thing is displayed within it. So let's see here. Now, this is where to conduct the swap here. This is where to do the swap when you are swapping to such coin. Let's say you are swapping from Ethereum to BNB. Let me search out BNB. All right, this is the BNB you are swapping to. You can literally swap to BNB Smart Chain, and you can search BNB on ERC network. You can see the first one is BNB on ERC network. That's this particular one here. You can swap to that, and then you can as well swap. Okay, yeah, BNB on ERC network, and then you can swap to here BNB on BEP20 network. That's the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so what I have to do right there is just I just have to click on BNB, and then uh what Ethereum, I'm swapping Ethereum. Let's search Ethereum. All right, so I click on Ethereum. Okay, let me click back to see. All right, so let me click on BNB Smart Chain first, and then Ethereum. All right, so all right, click here, then Ethereum. Section can be used for that. So the section that can be used for that is Excel section, where you can search out. If you click on the Excel section, you can actually search out BNB or Ethereum. Ethereum. All right, you can see BNB slash Ethereum. Click on it. All right. So here you can either, let's say you have Ethereum and then you want to swap to BNB. You can actually buy or sell any one of them. So if you click on sell, it means you want to sell BNB to Ethereum. Okay, it means you want to sell Ethereum to BNB. Then for me, let's say this video was let's say we want to buy BNB, and let's say we have some quantity of Ethereum. So we now enter the price, the amount I want right here. Let's say uh let's say the amount of BNB that I want to buy, or maybe at the price of Ethereum. Let's say want to swap one Ethereum, but right here I don't have any balance, so nothing is going to reflect right here. Nothing will reflect right here because I don't have any balance on this wallet. So this part here, using this on Trust Wallet, can be a bit confusing, and you don't want to be a bit confused about this whole thing. So the site where I recommend for you to do this is on your Binance. Now this is my Binance right here. When you go on your when you register for Binance, and then you log into your Binance and you are on it just the way I am on mine right now. What you just need to do is click on market, the market section, which is around here. When you click on market, then let's say what you want to do is you want to buy Ethereum with BNB or sell Ethereum to BNB. Just click on BNB. Then you will now see BNB USDT, BNB Ethereum 10x. Now click on it. Now when you click on it, now what do you want to do? You click on sell. All right, now you switch this particular section right here from that Sorry, that's the limit section. Pardon me. We switch this particular section right here from limit to market. All right. You want to set the market. All right. Let's say you had some quantity of Ethereum right here, and then you want to let's say you have some quantity of BNB, and you want to buy Ethereum. Now, what you're actually doing is you're selling your BNB. Let's say you have BNB, select you can select the amount of BNB here, or you can just use the plus button and minus button to add or remove. Or if you check below, you will see percentage: 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. All right. Now, click on any of the percentage and then add it up, or click 100% if you want to sell all the 100% or the 75%. You can see there's no balance right here. Now, once you click on that, let's say you are satisfied and then you want to sell your BNB. Let me say I had one BNB. Once you hit sell, it will sell automatically. This account doesn't have such amount. Automatically, the BNB will be converted to your Ethereum. All right. So if you want to buy, if let's say you had a Ethereum and then you wanted to convert it to BNB, now the same thing applies. You already this section is already at market level, and then what you just need to do is click max here. The maximum amount of Ethereum will be there, and once you hit buy, or let's say you want depending on the percentage you want to sell, or you want to buy, the percentage of your Ethereum you want to convert to BNB. Once you hit here, it automatically buys that BNB, and this is where you can find your balance, right? All right, you find it in this your spot. All right, it will be displayed right here. You can see this account has some fraction of Shiba Inu right there. All right, so once there is balance, once you conduct that transaction, the balance will be up here. All right, it will come up. All right, this place normally displays balance based on hierarchy. The highest goes up, and then like that. So that's just simply how to convert your Ethereum to BNB and BNB to Ethereum, back and forth. It's just as simple as ABC. If you have a Binance account, you can literally do this within a sip of 5 seconds or 2 seconds. You are done with the entire transaction. You don't need to stress yourself that much. All right, so I recommend anyone doing this using Binance. All right, use Binance to conduct your transaction and you're done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope by now you are subscribed to my channel, and let's move the boat to the permanent side.